Are you supposed to be here Monday? No. Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all right. You're here today.
Yes, this is the one. No mistakes. That's the word. Why is Christian get the good days?
Plug in, make sure that's plugged in his face. Yeah, because I'm getting it. So. Switch, front. Front right. Yeah, just stand right there. Yeah. You turn on Kirk's mic. You have a radio? Perfect. Rick, can I hear your voice?
Check, check, check. 1, 2.
You okay with what it sounds like right now?
Up. 1, 2. I think so.
Thanks, Kirk. It's beautiful.
Dooley, Dooley, pay you back someday. I don't know part. Yeah, let's just, we're going. No, go ahead and do the verse and then just go ahead. Yeah, let's just start it and then when we'll start. Oh, Dooley was a good old man, he lived below the mill. Dooley had 2 daughters and a 40-gallon still. One gal watched boiler, the other watched spout. One of them carved the bottles as old Dooley fetched them out. Dooley, slipping a dollar. Dooley, trying to make a dollar. Dooley, give me a swaller. Maybe that's some arms. The revenuers came in, slipping through the woods. Dooley get behind the wall and never lost his goods. Dooley was a trader when in town he come. Sugar by the bushel and molasses by the ton. Dooley, slipping a dollar. Dooley, trying to make a dollar. Dooley, give me a swallow, I'll pay you back someday. I remember very well the day old Dooley died. Women felt sorry and the men stood around and cried. Took him to the mountain, he lies there all alone. Put a jug beside him and a barrel full of stone. Dooley, slipping a dollar. Dooley, trying to make a dollar. Dooley, here's what I'll pay you back someday. Oh, Dooley, slipping a dollar. Dooley, trying to make a dollar. Dooley, here's what I'll pay you back someday. Pay you back someday. You end it with by yourself? Do we sing on the end of that? By yourself. Let's go. Let's do the chorus. Yeah, let's figure out what we're singing. Dooley. I don't need to sing it. If Malcolm's got the note, I'm not going to sing. Yeah, let's find the notes that for Malcolm. Let's do the last chorus to the end of the song. Just, yeah. Yeah, last chorus. 1, 2, ready. Just drop off on the end of that, pay you back someday, and then is that what we had? So are we gonna all jump off of it? Then let's not sing. Let's all clip it then. So the last chorus.
Same place, right?
Yeah. All right. 1, 2, ready. Hang over and do a little ending if you want, but we'll just clip it. That way we're all doing the same thing. Can we do They Call Me the Fireman, and then we gotta stop in less than about 5 minutes.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, you can just about right. And then back in.
There's a vocal part. There's a vocal part on this too, Malcolm. If you want to find it. We haven't done this yet.
A rocker or what country or like me or we try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
That's my name. Making my rounds all over town about a night old thing. Everybody like to have what I got. I can cool them down when the smoldering hot. I'm a fireman. That's my name. Last night they had a battle on a mile or so down the road. My buddy walked out and left his woman burning out of control. I was down there in about a mile or so with a little nothing else. She was ready to go. I'm the fireman. That's my name. Yeah, they call me the fireman. That's my name. Making my rounds all over town. I'm putting out old flames. Yeah, everybody like to have what I got. I can cool them down when the smoldering hot. I'm the fireman. That's my name. I got a fire engine red, T-bird automobile. And in a minute or less, I can be best dressed to kill. I work 24 off and 24 on. It gets too hot, you just give me a call. I'm the fireman. That's my name. You call me the fireman. That's my name. Making my rounds all over the town, putting out old flames.
the fire.
All right, you're good, Amos. All right, Willis. First mic, shut up, put everything away, close the doors.
Les, can I get a 222? Can I get a little of vocals in the wedge?
Your vocal.
Any vocals? 2-2, there's one. 2-2.
You want more of something?
2-2. I just need some
One,
of me.
two.
I had like no vocals back here.
Oh, I just turned everything off.
2-2. So
One.
just a smidge, because I'm getting my cues from my sugar.
1 2 1 2 1
I can't hear
2
it and then fall back off.
1 2